Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get your Netflix intro templates for vlog on CapCut. So here I'm gonna be using the Netflix intro templates for my vlog, and what you guys need to do is pretty easy. You can just open your CapCut and then go to templates, and here go to the search column and type in Netflix and just click on enter, and there will be a bunch of options that you can choose. So let's say I want to choose just one of this. Just click on this, and here is the Netflix vlog template. So I'm going to use this template, and then after that you can just choose your videos and add it to here. For example, I want to add this one. Okay, so I've just added, and after that just click on next, and here is the result. Okay, you can just adjust the position so that the video won't be cropped. So I'm going to click on the video and click on crop, and then adjust the position of each clips. So here I've already cropped all of my clips, and here is the final result. And if you want to export the video, you can just click on the export at the top, and then if you want to save it without watermark, just click on export without watermark. But please make sure that you've already logged in into your TikTok account on CapCut. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.